Retired for almost a decade, but it was still at the top of its game when the Swedish Air Force phased out the last operational examples of this Saab product. It did so in 2005, but the traditions of those days are well and truly kept alive by the Swedish Air Force historic flight based, as we said, at Såtenäs. It has an outstanding fleet of retired Swedish Air Force types, many of them from the Saab stable itself, really illustrating the great development of designs from that Swedish manufacturer that occurred during the post-war years, and indeed, including the Saab B-17 of the Second World War era. But now, we're about to see an aircraft, the English translation of whose name, Thunderbolt, is very appropriate, rolling now, the Saab AJS-37 Viggen.
Yes, a very sporting takeoff there, Ben. A really impressive performance indeed, and I agree, totally wonderful to see it back in. Completing a full 360 turn, he's going to climb up now a little.
And we did that at high speed. Look at the planform, the double delta planform of the Viggen as it pulls up. And the aircraft's performance was such that JA-37 air defence variants, with a more powerful version of the Volvo Flugmotor RMA. Very soft spot for this aircraft. There we go, what a beauty.
That is quite extraordinary. That's a big, heavy jet, and that is a very, very impressive landing roll indeed. I did drop somebody at a bus stop once on the Highway 1 in Canada, but I was in a Beaver bush lane at the time. But it was snowing heavily. I had no chance of making the airstrip, so I said, chaps, I'm going to give up, but you can get the bus if you wish. And he's going into reverse as well. Look at that!
So that bit of manoeuvring on the ground as well as in the air, finishing off a superb sequence and a very nostalgic one for some of us who remember the type service heyday from Stellan Andersson in the Swedish Air Force historic flight Saab AJS-37 Viggen. But the historic flight's contribution is not over.